through the lane, clear by 3 under David Flores. And April Pride is too good for them, wins it well. Acting Lady 6. April Pride the one to catch now. April Pride kicks on for home, leads it by 2 and finding more on the lead. Acting Lady is second. Saucy Evening did not get involved today. And it's April Pride striding through the lane, clear by 3 under David Flores. And April Pride is too good for them, wins it well. But here they come from behind us now. Minute Limit is right there, Mrs. Kipling. And now Starlarks is hooked to the extreme outside and starts all run anyone at a half a dozen. April Pride along the inside. Minute Limit, Starlarks flying on the outside. April Pride shifted in a little Century Park. April Pride will win it. And April... Bay filly by Fulbrad out of Hasta. She's owned by the Forging Oaks Farm.
Alongside Alba Jiha is there. Sweepstake looks for room. Namaste's Wish is moving but needs to find more on the far outside with Fancy Pants. Past the 8th pole, I Lost My Chew, Alba Jiha. Sweepstake is third. Alba Jiha, I Lost My Chew. Sweepstake is still third. Alba Jiha, I Lost My Chew. Sweepstake, then Fancy Pants at the line. Alba Jiha.
Sweepstake has led for all of the first half. Sweepstake going for home from Girl Named Sam. Democrat Taxes being asked to quicken at the rail. Magger Bags has been wide both turns. El Society, Lickety Lemon still has 6 lengths to find. Rose Medallion pulled to the far outside in Serenity Lake, top of the stretch. 3/4 for Sweepstake, 1:14.1. In the final furlong and a half, the Irish bred filly. Sweepstake still giving plenty. Sweepstake finding in this final fairgrounds furlong. Magger Bags, Lickety Lemon, Serenity Lake at the rail. Sweepstake was up to the job. Sweepstake, Robbie Alvarado for David Carroll, sharp in the Medankin, winning by 7.
Cutting the corner, tackle by Dash of Humor. Dash of Humor on by to take the lead. Victoire Bataille getting involved, and Victory Lap storming down the center of the course now. Dash of Humor from Victory Lap, who's coming 2 to her 1. Dash of Humor, Victory Lap takes the lead. Victory Lap going away to where the others 4.
Ticker Tape makes her move. Ticker Tape alongside Western Hemisphere. Dance in the Boots got to go now. She's 2.5 from the front. Hollywood Story is next. And Ticker Tape slingshots to the lead. It is Ticker Tape suddenly 3 in front. To the outside, Dance in the Mood is up into second, but she'll have to fly to run down Ticker Tape. Ticker Tape reaches for the wire. Dance in the Mood surges, but too late. Ticker Tape wins.
Sister Spank with a white cap right there. Air UN Humorous Miss. They're into the stretch. Bonanza Jellybean at 35 to 1. Sister Spank. Here's Ticker Tape now in front. Spotlight and Humorous Miss. They're just above the 16th pole. Ken DeSormo and Ticker Tape from Sister Spank. Spotlight and Humorous Miss. Ticker Tape was just a grade above. She wins the pucker up by 3.
And Barancella looks for an opening toward the inside. River Bell with Ticker Tape alongside. Barancella needs room. Mambo Sleuth and Phantom Wind in 5th. Past the 8th pole. Ticker Tape gets the lead from River Bell. Then Barancella. Phantom Wind is 4th. Final 16th of the Queen Elizabeth II Challenge Cup. Ticker Tape with Barancella coming. Ticker Tape takes it by a diminishing neck from Barancella. Then